In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to perform bank reconciliation on the Xero website. Let's jump right in without delay. Step 1 is to log into the Xero website. Open your web browser and navigate to the Xero login page. Enter your login credentials, including your username and password, to access your Xero account. Step 2 is to access the bank reconciliation section. Once logged in, locate and click on the Accounting or Bank Accounts tab menu option. This will take you to the section where you can manage your bank accounts and transactions. Step 3 is to select the bank account for reconciliation. From the list of bank accounts displayed, choose the one you want to reconcile and click on the account name to open the account details. Step 4 is to start reconciliation. Within the selected bank account, look for a button or link labeled Reconcile or Start Reconciliation. Click on this button to initiate the reconciliation process. Step 5 is to match transactions and verify balances. Xero will display a list of transactions from your bank account statement that need to be matched with the corresponding transactions in Xero. Review each transaction on the bank account statement and compare it to the transactions in Xero. For each transaction, you can either select a matching transaction in Xero or create a new one if it doesn't exist. Once you have reviewed and matched all the transactions, verify that the ending balance in Xero matches the ending balance on your bank statement. If they match, click on the Finish or Complete Reconciliation button to finalize the reconciliation process. That's it. You've successfully reconciled your bank account in Xero. Thank you for watching. Peace out.